It is Afton's first GPA blending unit in Asia Pacific and complements our global network of blending and terminal operations in the Americas and Europe. The GPA blending capacity in Singapore will help satisfy the increase in demand driven by the rapid adoption of additives to support fuel economy and emission reduction. The additional infrastructure supports our long-term global growth plans as well as regional and global business continuity. Our customers are looking forward to the option of sourcing GPA locally from Afton. The made-in capability will provide security of supply and contribute to their overall sustainability and business continuity objectives. This is critical during this period where global supply chains are disrupted and is testament to our ongoing investment strategy around enhanced supply chain solutions. These cost-effective and made-for GPA solutions that are made in the region will help provide our customers with a competitive edge in their markets. Afton's purpose is delivering innovative fuel and lubricant additive technology that support a cleaner and sustainable future by developing solutions that provide fuel economy improvements, emission reduction, as well as extending equipment life. Environmental responsibility is an integral part of the way we manufacture and do business. We ensure our products are environmentally safe and friendly in the product development process, from conception to manufacturing and ultimately to end use. Waste minimisation is an essential part of Afton's manufacturing and R&D programs, which also contribute to our carbon reduction plans.